Good morning, guys. Good morning. Finally, it's morning and it's Monday, and we are planning to go now to my house. It's been like 2 weeks. Oh my god, guys, I'm having problem putting this area here, the eyeliner. And yes, anyway, guys, good morning. And it's kind of suck, guys, when your day is like start not good. You know, the beginning of the month, you know what I mean? And it's kind of really sucks. I'm talking here. And look at me, I have a lot of, how do you call this here, right? It's not just all here, right? Lint. It's kind of ugly. Most of this is dog and cat.
Not true. Her hair's falling out. She's going bald.
It's
all her own hair.
That's true too. And it's all white, so that means it's tummy.
Yeah, that's probably true. I got an infection. I've had it for days. Like 4 or 5
What
days.
infection from where? Oh shucks. I forgot my protection in here because
That's why I gotta start taking amoxicillin or something.
the amoxicillin is expired, huh?
I don't care.
I got some amoxicillin from the Philippines and expired last year. I know it's not good to take expired medicine.
That's fine.
Oh my god, everything is coming down. We went Stop and Shop to get some
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yes.
Hello?
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 Hello? Can I help you?
Hello?
Bye. And click it the phone to be on the phone itself.
Okay.
Up here where's the speaker. I don't care. I'm just
Hello? This is MaryAnn. You're calling from dialysis? Good. She's kind of sick. Yeah. I thought she... this is her daughter-in-law, MaryAnn. I know. So when she can come again? Tomorrow? Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Okay, I will let her know, and I will let her call you guys. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. I've been picking this, like try to peel it up, and then when I look at the mirror, it's pimples. I can't even take it off. I kind of oily. I was busy making some salad and putting all stuff together. Let's see if I forgot something upstairs. Bye, baby. Bye, baby. Bye.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just last now. Yeah, I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right.
I tried to watch vlog, but internet here, I mean there's no internet. My data is very slow, 3G, but it is very slow. I don't know why. Sometimes in our area it's 3G is, you know, quick, but I don't know. Anyway, we're almost home. We just stopped at Walmart to pick up something because we bought some milk and I have some croissants bread from Costco. Not from from Costco, but I had that for a long time ago, but still good. I put it in the freezer and I forgot to bring it here. I don't know why. So my husband decided to stop in here because I don't have milk. We don't have milk in the house. This is a problem all the time. When Tommy goes to the grocery, it takes forever for him to get out. I don't know why he's taking forever. I even called him, he doesn't answer. Maybe he's in the counter or something, or maybe he's holding something. I don't know. Wow, this is really long. I told him don't stay long because my fish is in the back. You know, the fish that I got from Asian store, and I still have it. Okay guys, hi guys, we just got back here. What happened, Han? Huh? Late?
Yeah, she left late. She figured Mom would be sleeping, so she can't.
Okay. So, yeah, look, my husband, guys, my husband went grocery. I told you, in Walmart, and he went in hungry. And look what happened.
What happened? I got celery. I got
He picked up
some chicken.
bread, cookies,
You asked
3
for
different
bread.
kind.
3 different kinds. One little container with 3.
No, but look at that. Who's gonna eat it here? Look, I'm gonna eat it. Vegetables and more bread up there. Look, like, and a lot in the refrigerator
You're a
too.
bread person. I only bought 2 of those. I don't know where else it came from.
What too?
Bread containers.
Oh, and also he got the
You said you didn't have none.
he get the pot. No, I have my croissants in there, and he get the bread, and he get the one that I like. How do you call that? Toaster oven. It's a nice toaster oven. I like the color. How many colors do you have over there, hon?
You know, the pot over here, one color pot. I got red. I always got red.
Okay.
I always got black.
No, black.
They had one that was just stainless steel, but it was cheapy.
Stainless steel.
Yeah, but it was crappy. Didn't feel like it was strong.
And there is also mango that it's cut already. And yeah, and we have more crops in here that we brought in. And yeah, my husband got even a speaker that I don't have any idea, guys, that he got it. He hid it in the basement. He bought it, hide it.
I bought it like 3 years ago at Christmas time.
2 years ago, 3 years ago. Look at that.
At
Oh,
least 3 years ago.
I don't even know. You just buy it and go direct to the basement, like, because
I was gonna put it in the living room at one point, and then I decided not to. It's a sound bar. It's a sound bar.
So that's it. And my flower is dead,
That's what I said.
but hopefully it's still alive, because did you see that
You don't really take care of it now.
there's still green in it, guys. So that would be okay if I'm gonna hang it again and just keep watering it. I miss all the birds, the bunny hopping all the time. Han, you have to put this doorbell ring. Okay. We have chicken, so I'm not cooking meat. Is that okay with you, Han? Han?
Yeah.
We have chicken. What, you want me to make different one? Chicken and this one, I don't know. I don't want to oven put this in the microwave though. I'm just gonna boil this to cook it. And see salad dressing. Put salad dressing in it. What did you get? What is that?
I want to test.
I have macaroni salad, so my husband eat that. Me, I'm gonna cook rice. Oh my God, there's more bread in here. 2 breads in the
Well,
refrigerator.
you told me you didn't have no breads.
No, I'm talking about you. You got the like rice, 2 rice, and there's
I
a.
got one for here, one to take with me to work. I like rye bread.
Huh?
I prefer rye bread to like that.
I know you do, but you got 2. And I got this.
Take to work.
This one, I picked this one because this is really good. I like it. And this is the Spanish bread that I found in Asian store. And this is the croissants that, you know.
This
Where are you gonna put it?
This has to sit for 2 days. You can't touch it.
2 days? Why you shake that? Your booty. Shake, 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 shake.
After this cabinet was done, so I don't touch it. 48 hours.
So Andrea is okay, hun. So she's already home.
Yeah, I called back and talked around when I can't reach her, and she hasn't come. I'm here.
So I guess mom tried to call your phone and then just connect in here.
Maybe.
Because she said,
She would have this one.
she's shocked that I answered the phone and said, Stam in there. Stam in there. I need to talk to him now. Like, what the heck? This is like, yeah. We're gonna, after dinner, we put it in. I see a lot of like stick cheese in there. Cheese stick, whatever. You have a lot there in the house though. Who eat it? You did eat it?
Yeah. But you, I think. I'm surprised the celery is from like how long?
That's still good, right?
Yeah, I'm surprised. Shocking.
This refrigerator is really good. I noticed that.
We should save a lot of money on groceries. Just for all the ones we don't throw out.
Very brown. Huh?
Okay.
After it's been raining. What the heck is that? Where there is a thing? You keep eating until you don't feel like eating dinner. What the heck? I know you're hungry. I guess I can do the cabinet if you don't feel like. Just you keep thinking you will do it. Live with it.
Good.
Oh, I like the flower over there. There is a white flower. There is a white flower, guys. You know where I found the fruits? That was here. Oh my god, I think the birds eat it all. Look. It was here. Oh, look. This is all the fruits. It's right here, all over here. Oh, the birds eat it.
That's why I like it here.
Look. Look, oh, it's like, it's bigger. If you see my video, it's bigger. Now they're all done. I saw the flower, guys. Look at the flowers. Oh. Look how nice is that, guys.
They shouldn't be coming through the fence. They should be on that side.
I'm taking picture right now, guys, of these roses right here. How pretty is that? It's right there, standing.
You're just running through the yard. You went under the fence.
Look, it's just right there. Oh, there is a fruit already. Oh, we have fruits. You guys want some? Oh, we have it. Huh?
That's correct. They're not the feeling.
Yeah, correct. Correct kong imong lubot. I-correct kong imong lubot, Han. Han. Yes. Yes or no? Gi-correct kong imong lubot.
I don't know what you're saying. I'm not answering.
Han. Just yes or no. We're playing.
I'm not
It's a play. It's a play.
I'm not playing.
It's a play. Yes or no? Gikurikong imong lubotan. Kurikong, it's not bad.
Hon, I know you better than that.
Then you don't.
I do. How many times you've got me to say things that were bad, and just so you can laugh? Hon?
Hun, I don't laugh sometimes. I don't laugh often. But this one is not for fun. Yes or no? Gikurikong imong
Hon!
lubot.
I'm not playing.
Oh my god. Yes or no, guys. He can't even see it.
Why would I say yes or no to something I don't know what I'm saying to?
Something about love.
What?
What is that, hun?
I don't know what it is.
It's kind of
I think
something.
it's feet figure. Oh, there it is.
Ah,
Feet figure.
not to move. Okay. It's a rubber under. This is kind of shiny. Have the chicken.
Okay. Oh, the mangoes.
Try it, huh?
I'm asking you.
We are going to have dinner, and I'm heating the chicken over here in this toaster oven, smoke it. And this is our dinner: string beans, macaroni salad, and the salad. So, yeah, it's a mess, but whatever. And he bought also this thing, pot for coffee. And we're trying the washer too. I bring some laundry here. I'm going upstairs, hon. I'll be right back because I'm just gonna do the we're gonna lie down. I hope I can find the battery in this one. Look, I don't see any batteries here. Honestly, I don't really see battery. So now, where is my battery? Is it in the house now I left in there, or it's in here? So we're doing the laundry and we're just gonna look. I'm matched with my thing, guys. Black and white. Black and white. Smells good, guys. We're using this anyway, guys. It's very small. I've been using this Suavitel, this one. I've been using this for a long time. This is our laundry detergent. This is our laundry detergent, and this is our laundry softener. This one. I used to use Downy, but Downy is, I don't know, I just don't like it anymore. I like this one. It smells so good. Like, oh my god, very good. Hi guys, I did wash my face. I get rid of my makeup. Some of my lipstick is still around it here in my lips. Me and my husband just watching these wings. Hi guys, good night guys, good night. We're ready to sleep and it's already so dark outside. And anyway guys, good night. I'm just going to edit this video now that I can upload it for tomorrow. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next